my babies. How are you? Alright, today's video is just gonna be pretty chill. In fact, it's gonna be so chill that I need a pair of sunglasses to put on. Should I wear these? I think I will. What is up, swole babies? How we doing? Yeah, actually I'm gonna take them off. So, I was reading one of my little books. Hold on, let me go grab it real quick. I was reading this little book, which I feel like I've talked about before. I'm always talking about some book. But I was reading through it and there was this part about making a mental health first aid kit. When I saw that, I was like, that's cute. I want to do that. So, in this video, I'm going to take y'all along with me and we're going to make our own. I encourage you, while you're watching this, to make your own as well because I just think it's a really cute idea. So in the beginning, it's talking about how when you get a cut, you just put a band-aid on it. But whenever you're feeling cut up mentally, wow, that was deep. There isn't like a mental band-aid that you can just put on. So then it gives you a couple cute little ideas on how to make your own. So the first thing it starts with is creating a comfort playlist on your phone. So I think that's the first thing we should start with. Let's go do it, shall we? Hi. It's a beautiful day outside, so I figured why not do this first part outside. And I'm sorry if the audio is terrible. I promise one day I'll get a mic. Also, this coffee has been sitting out just on my counter since 8 a.m. this morning. Should I drink it? Would it be safe to drink it? I'ma drink it. Tastes fine. We'll see if I'm still here tomorrow. So for my playlist, I'm just gonna add some artists that make me happy. So we're gonna go on Spotify and we're gonna go to create a playlist and we're just gonna call it, what should we call it? Let's call it That Good Good. That's Good Good. Can you say that? That Good Good. And a star emoji. Or should I say you're a rock star? Nah, I like That Good Good. We're gonna keep it. Yo, low-key, I'm feeling like shy because I feel like since I'm outside, people can hear me. Hello? Anyone listening? I think we're good. I think we're okay. All right, who do we want to add? Let's see. Ariana Grande. We're also gonna add Wiz Khalifa, Mac Miller, Sfera Ebasta, Kid Cudi, Cascade. Can you see that? Focus, please. Cascade, Mod Sun. And yeah, I'll probably end up adding a lot more, but you get the point, right? Just happy music, man. Since I can't put the music in, I will still add clips of me dancing to the music. So get ready to see my moves. And Suki's moves. Alright, on to our next little thing. I don't know why we're in the kitchen. It's kind of weird, huh? Hold on, let's change locations real quick. Here we go. Let's chill in my living room instead. Sorry if the lighting's weird. You'll get over it. It'll be okay. Please excuse my messy house. So the next thing, let's see. Ooh. Okay, this one is kind of different. This next part is all about essential oils, which is pretty cool. They have some fun facts in here, such as, did you know that when you inhale a scent, it goes straight to your limbic system, which affects your emotion and memory? Did you know that? And that's why whenever you smell essential oils, it can change your mood. Pretty cool, huh? And then it says how cedarwood and frankincense can help you feel stronger and more confident. And citrus oils like grapefruit and orange are naturally uplifting, leaving you feeling happier about yourself. And then clary sage and rosemary help promote mental clarity. What does that mean? Reducing negative mental chatter and leading to a stronger sense of purpose, focus, and action. This can help with confident decision making. Okay, I definitely need one of those ones, first of all. But second of all I really have right now, actually, hold on, let me go check. Okay, so I have tea tree, I have eucalyptus, and I have lavender. I love the lavender one, but they don't list it in here. So what about eucalyptus? Is that a good one? Uh-oh, they didn't list it. I don't have any of the ones they listed. I'm so prepared for this video. Well, that's okay. I'm still gonna try this exercise and I encourage you to try it with me. So what we're gonna do is sit comfortably. We're gonna take some of our essential oil. You can take whatever one you have. I'm gonna take some lavender and I'm gonna rub it into our pulse points. I've heard before that you're not really supposed to rub essential oils directly onto your skin without like diluting it first, but hey, we're not gonna live forever, kids. I'm just kidding. I don't really know the facts behind that, so maybe don't do that, but I'm gonna do it. You do what you want. I'm just listening to what the book says, so live your life, man. And then it says to take long, deep breaths right into your belly and exhale slowly. It says to count your breaths all the way up to 20 to get to 20. And then it says at the end, note how it makes you feel. Which I've already done this before, but I'm gonna do it again because it was very, very relaxing. So, don't try this at home, kids. Dab it on there and dab it on here. Dab a little bit here and there. Oh, it smells so good. All right, now I'm just gonna sit. I feel like I need to sit somewhere more comfortable. All right, I'm sorry, this is a weird angle, bad lighting. I just realized this probably looks really weird. I'm gonna go with it. Wow, okay, I feel way more relaxed now. Okay, I know that may have looked a little strange, but I just wanted to include that part so you could see I feel so much more relaxed now. You could probably even tell. And if you do decide to try it for yourself, comment below and let me know how you felt afterwards. And be descriptive about it, because that's what I did whenever I wrote it in the book. I was pretty descriptive about how I felt after trying the exercise. Alright, on to the next. Alright, we're back to my bedroom. Welcome back. Let's see what else we got here. The next thing I had us do, the next thing is talking about quick fixes, and basically has you write down a list of things that make you feel better when you're feeling blue. This is the part where I'm gonna start to put the actual physical kit together. So we have these cute little boxes. I would say this one would be more of a, oh my god, can you see everything? I'm not wearing a bra, so sorry. This one would be for more of a travel, and this would be for more of while I'm at home. It's pretty cool. It has all these little compartments in it. I'm just gonna run through some of the things that I wrote down and put them in the box. So some of these I can't actually put in a box because some of the things I wrote down were like walking my dog. So maybe I'll just write it and then I'll put the notebook in there and then I can read and then I can actually go do it. Yeah, sure. That's what we'll do. That'll work. So far, we have some bubble bath because bubble baths make me super happy. And if you combine a bubble bath with an upbeat playlist, you're talking about a whole new woman right there, let me tell you. And then I have some lotion because moisturizing makes me feel really like I have it together. Even if I don't, it makes me feel like I do. So I've got some lotion. I hope this all fits in here. And then I have this little notebook that I'm gonna write down things that I can't physically put in here. So let's write those things down, shall we? And like, isn't this journal pretty cute? My friend got it for me from Thailand, so pretty neat. So these are gonna be, I'm just gonna write them as reminders basically to do the things. So I guess what I'll do is when I'm feeling down, I'll pull this out and then like flip to a page, and whatever page I land on, that's what I'll do. That's how I'm gonna do it. You can do it however you please. Walk, Suki, drink glass of water. By the way, please don't make fun of my handwriting. I was told that if you have handwriting that is bad, it means you are smart. So, ha, to all the people that have made fun of me my whole life. Yoga sesh. Love doing yoga. Or I'll put / meditation. Meditation. Read a chapter from a book. Clean one thing. Watch / listen to an inspiring podcast / video. Alright, we're gonna put that in there. So I kind of feel like I need more physical things to put in this box because so far I have a bottle of lotion, some bubble bath, and a book. So let's see what else we can add. I'm just gonna bring you with me. Could probably add some CBD rub for your temples to relax. This stuff is amazing and I love it. Man, I feel kind of lame. I don't know what to add. Let's go through my cupboards and see what I can add. So I'm also gonna add some chocolate. Don't judge, but it's dark chocolate, so it's a little bit healthier. I'm gonna add some of this because it's yummy, and who doesn't like yummy things when they're sad? Not encouraging you to eat your feelings away, but just one little Hershey Kiss, that'll do the trick for me. So I'm gonna throw A little Hershey kiss in there. Okay, honestly, I can't really think of anything else to add, but I feel like the book itself has a lot of good ideas. There we are, my little self-care kit. Self-care first aid kit, I should say. Cute. If I come up with more ideas and things to add, of course I will add them. But even though it's not that many physical things, we got my playlist and we got this little essential oil exercise that I can start doing because, oh my god, that made me feel so much more relaxed. Oh, sorry, one last thing. And then they also have you write down a gratitude list. So, I don't know, can you see that? No, you can't. They have you write down a gratitude list, and dude, if that doesn't raise your vibration, I don't know what will, because every single time I sit there and count my blessings, I feel so much better, and I realize that focus on the good, focus on the good, focus on the good, you know? Oh, and another thing that they suggested that I didn't get to mention earlier was with your phone, you could make a photo album of pictures that make you happy. Man, I think that's so precious. So I'm gonna do that too. I'm gonna add a couple clips of things that make me happy right now. I would like to end this video with a little bit of a cheesy talk. So if you ever have days where you feel like just it's okay, and you know, I go to therapy, and whenever I had these days, I've talked about this in another video, but whenever I had these days, I didn't know what to do because I didn't know if I should just accept it or try to make myself feel better or what to do. And I was talking to him about it, and he told me to use these things like taking your dog for a walk, drinking a glass of water, doing things that make you happy, make you feel better. Think of them as an umbrella to get you through the rain. They're not going to stop the rain, but they're still going to aid you and help you get through it. So whenever I had these days and I was trying to do all these things and think this will make me feel better, this will make me feel better, and it didn't, I ended up feeling even worse and just sad and disappointed that like nothing was helping. And whenever he told me that, I realized that that's a very good analogy, because doing these things won't necessarily make your anxiety or whatever you're going through go away, and it won't necessarily cure it, but it will help get you through it. So, or at least it will help get me through it. I can't say the same for everybody. I know different things work for different people, so find out what works for you and what makes you feel better, and you're not alone. Whatever you're going through, whatever you're feeling right now, you're not alone. I promise you that. And you're strong, and you can make it through anything. Sending all my love to you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you like it. Subscribe to see more videos on mental, physical, and spiritual health. Thank you for joining me on this Mental Health Monday. I thought this was a really cute video. Am I right? You know I'm right. This was the book, by the way. I don't know if I showed it, but I'm gonna link it down below. This isn't sponsored, but I just think it's a really good book, and I'll put the Amazon link so that you could at least check it out if you would like. They have a bunch of different journals, not just self-care. They have they have like mindfulness too, and I forget the other one. I have 3, but yeah. So check it out. Please take care of yourselves. Life is one hell of a journey, so take care of yourself and be kind to yourself. Look in the mirror right now and say, I love you. I love you, self. Say it, believe it, achieve it. Comment below what you added to your self-care kit and tag me in it if you do follow along and you did decide to do this. I think everybody should. I think it's a very cute, beneficial thing to do, because let's face it, we all have those days. Thanks for watching. Till next time, deuces.